I just unboxed and set up this PetSafe a few days ago. This is my fourth automatic litter box, so let me tell you the pros and cons to this box. To start off with, it is the prettiest looking automatic litter box with the smallest footprint that I have come across. The entire top piece of it is the drum that rotates, allowing it to be super spacious and still very effective. And then all of the dirty litter actually dumps into a drawer underneath that's very, very easy to remove the garbage bag and dump. I also love the deodorizers it comes with. This makes it really easy to have a litter box in a small space and not have it smell. And it's very easy to take apart if you need to. One of the pieces that's very functional is this entire top wraparound can come right off, and that makes it much easier to add litter instead of trying to fit it into the front. Now for the cons. First one, it doesn't really have any type of litter catch, so litter just sprays on the floor when my cats jump out of it. Second, if you have a very picky cat or an extra large cat, I would not recommend this one. It takes a little more commitment on the cat's part to jump into this one, which not all cats will do. There are other litter boxes that are much better designed for extra large cats and timid cats. And finally, while it does have a decent app that will tell you when the litter box was used, at what time, and for how long, I do have some complaints about the app. It doesn't tell me which cat. My other boxes all will track the cats by weight, and it doesn't alert me. The other boxes are actually smart enough to tell me, hey, your cat's been in the box for 2 minutes. You might want to check them out. Or they'll alert me if the cat hasn't used the box for a certain period of time. So the other apps are just a little bit smarter. They also give me just a little bit more control over the automatic litter box. But given how streamlined this is, how good it looks, and how cleanly it works, this is definitely a winner, and I will be keeping this one around.